Hey yo, what's up you guys? Today, I'm gonna be taking you on an off-the-beaten-path bike ride adventure around Bangkok City. While we are at it, I am gonna be sharing with you my 3 key takeaways of using the all-new Max2. Come, let's go for this adventure. First things first, let's get the mounting setup right. For my bike, I'm going to use the flexible grip ties. These are one of the most versatile mounting options and I'll show you why. Check that out. How secure is this? How about that mounting setup? Okay, now that we got the handlebar sorted, I'm gonna use the seat post mount with the 1/4 thread and the finger mount to mount it onto the seat post. Come check this out. There you go, getting it extra tight. And on the back end, I'm gonna use the carbon fiber extension set, just one section of it, to mount it here. Like this. And then the last mount that I would use is, of course, the trusty bike mount. Right, with the magnetic latches, it's so easy. It's so easy to switch between mounts with the Max2 now. Here's a pro tip: use the remote for safety. Alright, it's a quick pit stop into the flower market. This is so vibrant, it's so colorful. Let's check this out. Alright, we're now at the flower market, and the first thing that you need to know about Max2 is that its image quality is unparalleled. It shoots in true 8K 360 spherical video, and you can also slow down the shot up to 3 times in 4K 100 frame rates per second, or go somewhere in between to 5.6K 60 frame rate per second. And because of that, I love it so much because it's just so versatile, and if you're shooting in 8K 360, you get an amazing 4K export, which is perfect for this YouTube video that you're watching right now. How about that, huh? Super cool. And because of its new back-to-back lens design, you are also going to get better stitching in terms of its output. Let me know, what do you think in the comments? And something all you tech nerds out there would love is that Max2 also shoots in 10-bit color in true 8K 360 spherical video. And if you want to do more in post-production, you can also capture in GP lock, and that gets you all that flexibility in post-production. And of course, with Max Hyper Smooth and 360 Horizon Lock, you are guaranteed the best video stabilization in the game. Also, this entire vlog is shot on the Max2. Let me know what you think of the audio quality. Lastly, one of my favorite outputs is that not only you get to shoot your 360 videos in 8K, you get to capture 360 time-lapse night effects now on the Max2 as well. Take this one out here, and we're gonna put it behind. Yeah.
Easy, yeah?
Oi! Yeah, that's it.
This is 360, yeah?
360, yeah, you're gonna get the back view now. Exactly. Oh shit. Oh no. Oh no. But guess what? One of the things that I love about the Max2 is the replaceable lens. So check this out. Let me show you how to replace the lenses of Max2. First of all, use the lens cap, set the camera down to protect it. prepare your new lenses. Remove the lens cover and remove the old lens. Okay, twist it off, set it aside, take the new lens out from the lens cap, align the indicators with the camera, and check this out. Twist it on. Yo, it is as simple as that. How about that? Lens replaced, now back to the adventure. And just like that, my point number 2. With Max2, you can capture with an absolute peace of mind. What do I mean by that? Max2 is built for the environment. It's rugged, it's waterproof up to 5 meters, but most importantly, the optical glasses on the camera is replaceable. Twist on, twist off, no tools, no calibration required. It's that simple. And just like you saw, it's fixed. Speaking of which, someone's got to fix that ground. That hole over there, someone's got to fix it. Alright, let's get back on the road. And speaking about capturing with peace of mind, one of the things that I love about Max2 is how versatile the camera is in terms of mounting option. You have the magnetic latches, you've got the bulletproof finger mounting option at the bottom, you've also got a quarter 20 tripod. And yeah, like you see today, it's super easy to use it, mount it, set it up, and you're good to go. Okay, I am going to be sharing with you an insider pro tip on how to get the perfect stitch line on your camera. Make sure your camera is mounted aligned to the grip, something like this, and then the grip will be automatically stitched out. Try it out. Alright, time for some local fish. Swadika. Oh.
Because we decide.
Very good.
เจ๊หง
Okay, the final thing that you need to know about Max2 is that it is super simple to use. On top of its user-friendly built-in touch display, Max2 is built with 2 new 360 video presets. Say that I want to capture a selfie video today, or I only want to shoot a POV video. Now, in these 2 new presets, such as 360 selfie or 360 POV, I can capture in these modes, and the modes have been tweaked to capture metadata so that when you download it into the Quick app, the app will automatically reframe that shot into a selfie or a POV video. And this is huge because it cuts down so much time to save you the hassle of reframing each individual clip. But more than that, say that you want to edit that individual clip to a particular style or way, guess what? It's still a 360 video, so you can customize and manually input your keyframes, do a motion frame edit, or use the AI tracking module the app has. That is something that I truly love about Max2. Honestly, that makes it so much easier to use this 360 camera. That's it. Right all the way here, and we're gonna take the boat all the way back. Safely. Yeah, the best weather. Wow, so cool. Woo! Clap band. Wow. that's it for today's bike ride. I hope you've enjoyed this little tour. See you in the next upload. That's it. That's it for today's video. I hope you've enjoyed this off the beaten path bike adventure here with me in Bangkok and learn a thing or two about the all-new MAX2. Until then, I'm gonna see you in the next upload. Yo!
Okay, this is the official name of this city. We start from Grungthep. Okay, Grungthep, Mahanakon, Amon, Ratana, Kosin, Mahintara, Ayutthaya, Mahadilokhop, Nopharat, Ratchathani, Buri, Rom Udom, Rashini, Wet, Mahasathan, Amon Himan, Avatar Satin, Saka Patiya, Visnukam Prasit. That's the name of this city.
I'm glad they changed it to Bangkok.